What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Y'all know how to do the snake? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For you people that may not know, now you know, boo. And welcome to my channel, guys. Today we have a brand new subscription. I hope y'all grabbing y'all pearls, cause boo, this unboxing about to be lit. So guys, if you want to see what's my brand new subscription, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your weekend was, boo. Okay, guys, so if you did not notice, I did not show you guys what the box was gonna be that we're unboxing today because it's a surprise, even though I put it in the title, right? Duh. Today, we have a brand new subscription coming to TonyaNicole's family. And the subscription is called the Beatface Box. Ooh. It's the Beatface Box, guys. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I did win this subscription. I won a year of this subscription from a giveaway they were doing on Instagram. So I'm very pleased with that. So guys, are you ready to see what it looked like? I am too. It arrived in this big old box like this. Little bubble wrap. Y'all ready? Holy cow. Can y'all see that? Look at this, guys. Look at this packaging. Divine. Gorgeous. I love it. It's so solid. It's so nice. I love it. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited to see what we get in here. Before we get into this unboxing, guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters on Friday's video. I'm gonna plaster you guys' names right across this screen right here. Thank you all so much for waking up early and watching your girl. It means the world to me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much. So this is a bi-monthly subscription, a makeup subscription. It is $39.99 every other month. This is the January box, so the next box will come out in March. This is also the sister company of Slay Glam Box. Yes, I said it, Slay Glam Box. This is their sister company, and I think they have the same owner though. So yes, if you don't want to get a monthly subscription like Slay Glam, you can sign up for this Beatface Box as a bi-monthly subscription. And you get 5 to 9 beauty products with a retail value of at least $100. Now, this is supposed to be a truly makeup heavy box, and you're supposed to be able to get a full look from one box. So we're gonna see. The next unboxing I do of this one, we're gonna do a try on video so that we can see if we can actually get a real, true, full face of makeup. So that's about it, guys. I do not have a code for this box now, but I will inbox her as soon as I'm done with this video to see if she gives me a code to get you guys some money off. If so, the link will be down below. So without further ado, let's get this bag, well, box on and popping, boo. You need a dance break and a drink break? I don't have a drink today, y'all. I'm gonna just dance. Hey, let's go, y'all. So as you guys have seen before, it comes in this box like this with these little straps. And in the middle here is where you open it up like that. Ooh, let's see how it opens. Does it open? Oh, okay, cool. When you open it up, it has Beatface Box on the cover right here, www.beatface.com, social media tags, and all of that goodness right there. We do have a cord. Okay. And let's see what we got, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, so we're gonna just pull off the top. First up, I am pulling out of the box from Rude Cosmetics this faux mink 3D lash set right here. These lashes, these are gorgeous. Y'all know that this is my style of lash. These are in the style, it doesn't have a style, but it's from Rude Cosmetics. Have y'all heard of that brand before? I think I have. And this is what they look like outside of the box, guys. I do like these lashes a lot. They're not really super duper full. They'll probably be more on the natural side, as you guys can see, but I do like these lashes. So let's see what these babies retail for. And these are the Rude Cosmetics Faux Mink 3D lashes, and it retails for $6. Up next, guys, we are pulling out from Laura Geller this Filter Fix Baked Correcting Setting Powder. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, y'all. And it's in the shade Universal Apricot. Now, I do see Laura Geller a lot at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So let me know if you guys have seen this product there. I haven't, but okay, this is what it looks like outside of that package, guys, right there. I don't know. I normally use like a yellow setting powder. This is supposed to be like I guess a peachy color. And this is what it looks like. I hope y'all guys can see that. I think I'm gonna try this on my face and see how it looks. We're definitely gonna have to do a get ready with me soon because I'm very interested in seeing what this powder would look like on my skin tone. Let me see. Oh, okay. So when you open it up, it has like that netting stuff, like a sponge. Ooh, now I don't know what that's gonna look like underneath my eyes. It may be a little ashy. It does feel very drying, but we are gonna test it out and see, guys. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Get ready with me is coming very soon, guys. I promise, within the next week, hopefully. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the Laura Geller Filter Fix Baked Correcting Powder, and it retails for $33. I do like that she included a setting powder in the box. I want more setting powders, and I'm very excited about that. So that is a plus for me that we get a setting powder. So we'll just have to see if it works on my skin tone or not. Up next, guys, I'm pulling out from ColourPop this Ultra Matte Lip Stick here. That's how it looks like. That's what the outside packaging looks like, guys. And ooh, this is in the shade Melonade, and that's what it looks like. It's a very pretty red lipstick. We're gonna swatch it and see what it looked like. Oh yeah, she's very red. Can y'all see that? Very, very, very red. And it is a matte lipstick, so yeah, let's add a little bit. Let's see. Okay, and this is what the lipstick is looking like on my lips. And y'all know I do love ColourPop's formula, so let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the ColourPop Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $7. Up next, guys, I am pulling out something else from Laura Geller, and this is the High Definition Illuminator Duo. It looks like. I do love that she have everything bubble wrapped to make sure that it's not, well, to ensure hopefully that it doesn't break, but I do like that. And this is in the shade Heart of Gold. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And this is a Illuminator Duo. Ooh, let's see what it looked like. Oh, I think it may be broken, y'all. So when I pulled it out the packet, I think it may be broken. So we're gonna open these with caution. I just said it's bubble. Okay. So much for the bubble wrap theory, huh? God, it's broken, y'all. Look, let me show you. And it's falling everywhere. One side is broken, guys, and that's the other side. I'm gonna try to swatch it, but I'm gonna have to contact her and let her know. But it does feel nice. And I'm shocked that it's just one side. That's how they swatched on my fingers. Ugh. This is how it's swatched on the back of my hand. I wasn't able to build it up, y'all, but that's what it looks like. And I'm so heartbroken that it's broken. I'm gonna give her a shout and let her know that this did come broken. So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Laura Geller High Definition Glow Illuminator Duo, and it retails for $33. Let me know what y'all think about Laura Geller's products. You know, since I do see them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls a lot, let me know what you guys think about the products. I think I've used a couple items from Laura Geller, but let me know what y'all think. Up next, we have something else from Rude Cosmetics, and this is a blush palette. I do like that. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And this is the back. Oh, I'm excited. Let's open it up. I don't have my scissors. Oh, God. I never can find my scissors, y'all. I have to dig all over, I swear. All right. This is what it looks like when we pull it outside of the package. I hope it's not broken. Ooh, okay. Oh, it comes with a mirror. Hey, girl. And this is the palette right there, guys. I hope you guys can see. Oops. See and get into those colors. This is like a universal type palette. I think there's a lot of shades for a lot of skin tones, so I do like that. I am gonna swatch some of these so that we can see what it look like on chocolate skin, right? Yeah, it's like a peach based palette. That's what it looks like on my fingertips, guys. That's what it swatched out. That's how it's swatched out right there. I would probably have to mix some of these because these are a little lighter than I normally wear, but I can probably mix them and get the look that I'm going for. So that's what they look like again. And let's see what this little baby retails for. And this is the Rude Cosmetics blush palette, and it retails for $11, guys. 11 bucks. One more product. Last but not least, we have a palette, and this one is double bubbled wrap, just to make sure it doesn't break, and I hope it doesn't. Oh, this is pretty. And this is from, let me see what the name of the company is, SUB Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow palette here. Get into that packaging. It is a 35 color shadow palette, and we're gonna open it up. I haven't heard of SUB Cosmetics before, so if you have, please let me know. This is what it looks like once we take the cover off. Oh, it does not have a mirror, guys. It comes with a little plastic right here. And this is the palette right here, guys. Can y'all see that? Get into those beautiful, beautiful colors. This is a gorgeous palette, and this is what it looks like opened up completely. But this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. I will not swatch this because I'm thinking I will put this into a giveaway, either on my Instagram or YouTube. I'm not sure of which one I want to do yet, but I will keep you guys posted on my giveaway details. So let's see what this baby retails for, guys. And this, guys, is the SUB Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $22. Alrighty, peoples. So what y'all thinking about this box? You know, that was my final product. We're gonna recap really quick. I'm gonna do final thoughts. We're gonna rate it, and we're gonna be done. So we received this 35 colored eyeshadow palette here from Rude Cosmetics, this blush palette here from Laura Geller, this Illuminator Duo here in the shade Heart of Gold. From ColourPop, we received this liquid matte lipstick in the shade Melonade. Rude Cosmetics again, these 3D faux mink lashes. Last but not least, this Filter Fix Baked Correcting Setting Powder from Laura Geller. So that is 2, 4, 6 products for this month. Final thoughts. So my final thoughts for this being a new release, sister company to Slay Glam box, and it's a bi-monthly subscription. I think that it's actually a pretty decent box this month. I do really, really, really love that you should be able to create a full, well, not a complete full face, but for the most part, an almost full face of makeup. My next unboxing, I'm definitely going to do a try-on portion. I'm going to do a tutorial using this box in an upcoming video, but I thought for the first month of this box being released, I think that it is a good box. I really enjoyed the products. I really hate that my illuminator came cracked, but I'm gonna contact her, and I'm sure she's gonna replace this. The blush palette I could use. I'm very anxious to see how this setting powder will work on my skin tone. These lashes I can use. Y'all see I like the lipstick because I'm wearing it now. This is a beautiful shade. And also this palette I'm going to put in a giveaway for you guys. But it's a beautiful palette. So for the most part, I really enjoyed this box. I think it's a very cool box. I think, oh my God, don't mention the packaging on this thing is beautiful. It's a gorgeous, oh my God, the box is just gorgeous. So I must say for the first box, I am pleased. I will add everything up and let you guys know down below. So this is the January, February box. Next box we'll get in March. So yes, guys, what do y'all think? Please let me know y'all comments down below on what you think about this box. What do you think about it being a sister company to Slay Glam? Like, it has the same owner. I think I like it because it's another option. You don't have to get a monthly box. You can just do a bi-monthly box. I do like that. She does give us that option now, but let me know what you guys think. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give Beatface, I don't know why I feel like I need to do this. We're going to give Beatface Box a solid, we're going to go with a solid 3.5 to 4 for their first month. I really like this box, and I'm looking forward to seeing what they have in the future. Y'all know Slay Glam is one of my favorites, so I know what Beatface is going to be equally as good. So yes, guys, that's my rating. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to your girl, go on and hit that subscribe button and become one of my bomb-ass subscriber squad. People, give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know also if you want to see a try on with this box. I will do that in an upcoming video. Follow me on Instagram if you have not done so already. And yes, I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway. I don't know if it's going to be a YouTube giveaway or Instagram giveaway. I'm not sure yet, but I will keep you guys posted on that. And that's all that I have, my lovely people. So until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay positive. I will see you in the comments below and on my next video. Bye.